In this video, we are going to see how to convert a fraction number from decimal to binary. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have this number 62.625. This is a decimal number, the base is 10, right? For a decimal number, the base is 10. We are going to convert from decimal to binary. Okay, to convert from decimal to binary, first step is we take the whole number. Here we have a whole number and a fraction number. So we take this whole number 62 and we divide this one by 2 until we get 0. So if we divide this one by 2, we are going to get 31 and the remainder is going to be 0. Again we divide this one by 2, that's going to give us 15, the remainder is going to be 1. Again we divide this one by 2, that's going to give us 7 and the remainder is going to be 1. And again we divide this one by 2, that's going to give us 3 and the remainder is going to be 1. And again we divide this one by 2, that's going to give us 1 and the remainder is going to be 1. And again we divide this 1 by 2, that's going to give us 0 and the remainder is going to be 1. And we go from down to up, and this is going to give us 1 1 1 1 1 0, and this is going to be the decimal, the conversion from decimal to binary for this whole number. This 62 base 10 is equivalent to this one. Okay, now we have to deal with this fraction number. When we have fraction number, since this is binary, what we do is we have to multiply this one by 2. We do the multiplication until we get the point, like we get the number, like after we get 1.000, something like that. Okay, so let's look at an example. When you see the example, you will know. So we have 0.625. We multiply this one by 2, and if we multiply this one by 2, we are going to get 1.250. So we shouldn't have any number after this point. If we have the number, we have to do the multiplication again and again and again. And here we have to pick up this after the decimal point. This is 0.250. So we pick up that point, that number 0.250, and we multiply this one by 2 again. That's going to give us 0.500. Still we have the number after this decimal point, so we have to multiply again. So again we have to pick up this 0.500, and then we have to multiply this one by 2, and that's going to give us 1.000. Now we don't have any number after this point, so we derived our final answer. The final answer is going to be up to down, the first number 101. That's going to be our final answer. The conversion is going to be 0.101. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to write this decimal point with this number. So the conversion from this one, this is our main question, right? This is what we are trying to convert. So the conversion of 62.625 from decimal to binary is equal to 111110, that is this number, 0.101, that is this number, 101, and the base is 2. And that's how we do the conversion for a fraction decimal number. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.